What's up, guys? What I'm doing today is changing the tubes that's in my toilet, and I'm about to head to this store called Ferguson Plumbing, and to get little parts to see if I can go in and fix that. So you won't have to call no plumber to come over there to pay all this money. So we're gonna see if we can get that done. All right, stay tuned. Up to Ferguson now. This is the store, Ferguson Plumbing Supplies, which is great. Okay, thanks. This is the price of the flush valve, $15.40 from the store Ferguson. And this is what's going on. This here is a flush valve. You can see it. This is a flush valve. And what's happening is it's sticking to right here. It's sticking to the rubber piece, and it's hard for me to bring it up. So I'm gonna attempt to replace it and to see if it works. Okay. Absolutely. So far, I have the lever separated. So now, this is what's sticking. It's here. So I'm gonna empty the water out and try to change it first before I have to change the whole entire assembly. Okay? So that's what's sticking, and this piece is broke here. So I've got another piece. I'm gonna make sure that fits also. Lift it up so it'll flush, so that way it won't come back in through this hose here. Okay, so everything is out. Just put a little bit of water there. Make sure you get a towel, because the last little bit of water there is going to probably come out. Okay, sometimes come to a problem that you will find before you have to take this part out, because in order to take this flush valve out, you have to take those 3 screws out of here and turn it upside down. So what I did was I went on and got some grease and put around the edges of the flush valve, and so we'll see if that works. I tried it, and it was a good thing. And what I did was I placed it on, slid it down, and the new top that came with the new flush valve actually fits on top. Just screw it in kind of tight. Okay? And this here, inside, and that holds the flush valve from going up past the point. Okay. There we go. In business. Cut back on, and the water is coming through now, filling up the commode. Alright, let's give it a try and see if this works. There we go. She's working. Just a little piece of work. Let's try it one more time to see, to make sure. subscribe. Thank you for watching.